Fixing tracking tools on Wix. In today's video, you are going to learn how to fix tracking tools not loading on Wix. So let's get started. First, check your domain connection. Make sure your domain is properly connected to Wix. Incorrect DNS settings can block tracking tools from loading. Avoid using the HTML embedded element. Do not add tracking codes through the HTML in-frame embedded element. Wix requires tracking tools to be added through the marketing integrations or custom code section. Make sure Google Analytics is not added twice. Duplicate tracking codes can cause conflicts. Remove any extra GA or GTM snippets. Now, step number 4, use debug view to verify Google Analytics. In Google Analytics, open debug view to confirm whether your site is sending events correctly. Step number 5, check your cookie banner. If you are using a cookie consent banner, make sure it is not blocking analytics before consent. Here is an extra tip. Try opening your website in incognito mode. Sometimes browser extensions or ad blockers prevent tracking tools from loading. If none of these steps work, the issue may be beyond Wix's end, so contact Wix support for further help. And that's how you will be able to fix tracking tools are not loading issue on Wix.